already practiced few lines in Telugu. After seeing you all, already I'm shivering. Thank you so much, Rishab's brother, Maku Annaya. NTR Garu sir is here. Annaya, we love you so much. You are love towards Rishabh and our family and to this movie. We can never ever explain in words. Thank you so much. I feel really blessed to be here and to be part of this project. And we all have put our heart and soul into this project and worked so hard. NTR Garu sir is our brother and Telugu audience is our family. You guys have supported us so much. Sorry, all language mix aagta hai.
No problem. We enjoy all languages. Especially మేము కన్నడ ఫిల్మ్స్ చాలా ఎక్కువగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాము. ప్రాక్టికల్ ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడగొచ్చా? రిషబ్ గారు డైరెక్టర్, రిషబ్ గారు రైటర్, రిషబ్ గారు యాక్టర్, రిషబ్ గారు హస్బెండ్, ఎవరిని హ్యాండిల్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది ఈ వీటిలో? రైటరా, డైరెక్టరా, యాక్టరా, హస్బెండా?
Rishabh is perfect in all the roles he's playing.
రిషబ్ గారు 100కి 200 మార్క్స్.
He's the perfect man, but I think I can vote director Rishabh.
డైరెక్టర్ రిషబ్ గారికి 100% మార్క్స్ వేసేసారు.
Even actor Rishabh also listens to director Rishabh. So I would vote director Rishabh. Husband Rishabh, I would see after the release. If he can come back home. He is working since 5 years for this project. Day and night he hardly sleeps. But after seeing your love, I feel all the efforts are worth. Last time also you guys have showered so much love. We are eternally grateful for all the love and support. Thank you Hyderabad. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much Pragati garu. Love you.
I'm a big fan of you.
Ayyo, thank you so much Andi. Me too. Thank you. Thank you very much Andi. Thank you. Okay, so my dear Kantara అభిమానులు, మనందరి కోసం వెనకాల జరిగినటువంటి మేకింగ్ వీడియో ఎలా ఉందో ఒకసారి చూద్దాము. Let's have the making video of Kantara, please.